How to enable voice chat in Roblox PS4 or PS5. Now, the actual process or the steps is very easy. From your PlayStation settings, all you have to do is just make sure that your crossplay platform is enabled. We're just going into settings and then under PlayStation logo, just simply hit on enable under crossplay platform. Once your crossplay platform is enabled, simply log in to your Roblox account on any browser that you have. Once you've successfully logged into your Roblox account, just simply head into the settings icon or the gear icon and then head into settings. You'll be redirected to access all the settings available on your Roblox account. In here, just head over directly to privacy and content restrictions and then head over to communication. Now take note that if you haven't verified your Roblox account without providing any identification that you have, your voice chat option will not be visible from here. So once you have fully verified your Roblox account, just simply hit on voice chat and enable it. So that is how you enable voice chat in Roblox PS4 or PS5.